Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add a countdown timer to your Shopify password page. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com, if you have not already. And after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after successfully logging into your Shopify account, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side of the screen you can see all the sections you can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So guys, now we can get started with adding the countdown timer to our Shopify store, and this is how we can do that. Basically, what we're going to look at is right here at the left side screen. Go ahead and find the apps section. Under apps is going to be the add apps option that once you click is going to open up this menu with some of the frequently used apps, and if you scroll down you'll be able to find the Shopify App Store option right here. So click on Shopify App Store. That's going to open up this App Store right here where you can find all the apps that you can find to use for Shopify, and you want to use the search bar right here at the top of the page and search for countdown timer. As you can see, after searching for countdown timer, this is now going to give us a result of all the apps that are related to countdown timers. And guys, one of the options you can use is this one right here called Essential Countdown Timer. So this is a timer bar that you can use. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look. So all you have to do is just click the install button right here. After clicking the install button, it's going to go ahead and proceed to the next page where you can go ahead and proceed with the installation process by clicking the install button. So click the install button right here, and after you have finished installing guys, your application is going to appear right here under your app section. And once you have installed the application, you can get started with activating it. So go ahead and set up the timer to whatever time you want, and after setting it up, everybody in your store will be able to see it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.